Wola, Shapfiri Wuzit Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SA Ski. It's your boy Isaac. Why so nice? I hope everyone is having a great one today. Before we jump straight ahead with today's news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Follow us on TikTok and on Facebook. On this one today, we got you Pagamani Mahlambi spotted in Gauteng with PSL side. Former Memory Sundowns and Al Ali star Pagamani Mahlambi has been spotted in Gauteng training with PSL side TS Galaxy. The Rockets are preparing for a crucial Betway Premiership clash against Golden Arrows at Mbombela Stadium on Sunday, 23rd November. Galaxy has had a promising first round of the 2025-2026, displaying an exciting brand of football under the guidance of their coach. The Mpumalanga-based side is currently sitting 8th on the log table with 16 points in 11 matches played. They won 5 matches, drew 1, and lost 4 of those encounters. With Galaxy looking to continue to compete against big guns, they have welcomed the embattled attacker Pagamani Mahlambi. Interestingly, Pagamani is a brother to Siluleko Mahlambi, who has been one of the best players for TS Galaxy in the current campaign. The 28-year-old has been without a club since 2021 when he had a stint with Chippa United. Mahlambi's career had been made by off-the-field issues which have prevented him from reaching his full potential. The skillful winger has played for teams such as Bidvest Al Ali and Mamelodi Sundowns, Amazulu, and Chippa United. Galaxy coach has revealed that they decided to give Pagamani Mahlambi a chance to bring his career back on track with the approval of the team president, which is none other than Tim Sukazi, former agent. We made a discussion to take him and train with us. You know, everybody deserves a chance, and I think that guy is a good human being, said the TS Galaxy coach. When asked by Everything SA Diski, I watched his clips when he played for Vets and Sundowns. He's an amazing player with amazing skills. We made the decision with the chairman, and we are trying to push him and put him back into the business. And I think, as I said, he deserves a second chance. I am happy to have an opportunity to maybe do that. Sign him. Maybe it's on him. He needs to push and improve. I saw him in the last training session. He's trying to push himself very hard, the coach added. Let me know what you think about this news down below the comment section. Do you think he should be given a chance or ganjani? Qim! Shelele.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is